You must have seen a lot of tutorials on YouTube about how to use Grock for free. Many creators have shared different methods to use it, but in all those platforms you must have noticed one common problem. The credits run out very quickly, and you have to rely on multiple accounts to continue using it. After using it for some time, the platform starts asking you to upgrade the plan. Today, the platform I found for you gives daily credits for Grock and other AI tools. And I'll also show you a method to get more out of your daily video generation limits. So, for that method, please watch the full video. This is my humble request. Let's start the video. First, go to this website. I will put the link in the description. Here you will see 0 credits for now. So click Start for free and log in with your Gmail. Even after logging in, you will still see 0 credits, but just wait for a second. Now you will see 20 credits, and after 1 to 2 minutes, you will get a pop-up to claim your daily reward. So claim it, and now your total credits become 70. Now click on the AI video option and select the Grock option. Then click on the model section. You will see there are many different tools here. Today, I am only focusing on the Grock video and image-to-video models. If you want tutorials on other models as well, then comment below. I will make a video on it. First, I will try image-to-video using the Grock model. Select the model, upload your reference image, choose the ratio you want, select the video length, which is duration, and select the mode. I'm choosing normal mode. Then enter your prompt in the prompt box. Here it takes 20 credits for 1 video generation. You can generate 3 videos daily from 1 account. At the end, I'll show you a method to maximize your daily generation. You can see the video is generating, so wait for a moment and your video is ready. Now I'll show another example using the Grock video model. Select the Grock video model, enter the prompt. I'm using an aesthetic video prompt here. Adjust the settings as you want and click generate. Now your video is ready. Here is an aesthetic video created for free. Now the main part, how to use this more efficiently. You can try using different browsers or profiles to manage your workflow. Let me show you an example. I'll use Brave, copy the link from the description and paste it here. Then click Start for free and log in with your email. As you can see, you initially get 20 credits. After waiting 1 to 2 minutes, you will see the pop-up to claim your daily 50 credit reward. Now your credits have increased to 70. This method helps you extend your daily usage depending on your setup. If you get stuck at any step, comment below. I will guide you. Thanks for watching.